Suspended Industrial Court Judge President Sifiso Nsibande, who was facing fraud charges amongst others, has been acquitted on all charges. A full bench of 5 judges of the Supreme Court, who included Chief Justice and Judge President Bheki Maphalala, issued the order today. After facing charges of fraud for almost 7 years, suspended Judge President of the Industrial Court Sifiso Nsibande has been acquitted by the Supreme Court. Chief Justice and Judge President of the Supreme Court Bheki Maphalala, sitting with Supreme Court Judges Dr. Odoki, Phesheya Dlamini, Rob Kloot and Stanley Maphalala, heard arguments of the appeal which had been filed by the suspended Industrial Court President. The appeal came after Judge Philip Levinson had ordered Nsibande to take the witness box for the criminal charges of his company and him, despite finding that there was no evidence linking Nsibande to the crimes. After hearing arguments from Nsibande's attorney and the Crown, the judges were unanimous in dismissing a point of law raised by the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions. The judges upheld the appeal, ordered that the judgment of the High Court is set aside and replaced with an order granting the suspended judge's application in terms of Section 174 of the Criminal Procedure and Evidence Act. The Industrial Court Judge President was accordingly found not guilty and acquitted on all charges. The suspended judge and 3 others were initially arrested for allegedly defrauding the CTA of 11 million emalangeni back in 2010. Nsibande was arrested together with former CTA General Manager Polycarp Dlamini, CTA employee Mpumelelo Mamba, and businessman Sandile Dlamini, the director of Protronics Networking Company. They were facing 13 counts ranging from fraud to corruption and money laundering. Sifiso Ngubane reporting for Swazi TV News at the High Court.